Hello girls, good morning all. Hope you are fine and hope you are doing well and staying at home, staying safe. We want to look at our next topic, and the next topic is polygon. Polygons or polygon. What is a polygon? Definition. Polygon is a plane figure. Polygon is a plane figure. Let's listen attentively. A plane figure with at least 3 straight sides, and angles, and typically 5 or more, that is 5 sides or more is a polygon. And types of polygons are regular and irregular polygons. Regular and irregular polygons. Of course, you know that regular polygons are polygons that all the sides are equal. They are definite. While irregular polygons are shapeless, or all the sides are not equal, it's just irregular in shape. So we are not going to consider such polygons. We are going to look at regular polygons. And let's start with this. Polygons, number of sides, and sum of interior angles. Polygons, look at this, polygons, number of sides, and sum of the interior angles. And the first polygon we are going to look at is triangle. Of course, you know that triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Triangles, number of sides will be 3, and the sum of interior angles of a triangle, you should know, is 180 degrees before now. Number 2, we're going to talk about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon, and it has 4 number of sides, and the total sum of angles, the interior angles, is 360 degrees. Of course, you know that quadrilateral, because it has 4 sides, the number of angles will be 4. For example, if you look at a square or rectangle, the number of angles inside the square or rectangle are 4. That is why it has 4 sides as well. Then number 3, we're going to talk about pentagon. Pentagon is a polygon, and it has 5 number of sides, and the sum of interior angles of a regular pentagon is 540 degrees. Then number 4 is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides, and the sum of interior angles is 720 degrees. Then we have number 5, heptagon. Heptagon has 5 sides. Heptagon has 7 sides. And the number of interior angles is 7, but the sum of the interior angle is 900 degrees. I'm going to show you how to arrive at this sum of interior angles of regular polygons. Then number 6 here is octagon. Octagon has 8 sides with 8 number of angles inside, but the sum of interior angles of a regular octagon is 1080 degrees. That is 1080 degrees. Then number 7, nonagon. Nonagon has 9 sides, and the sum of interior angles of a regular nonagon is 1260 degrees. Then we have decagon. Decagon has 10 sides, and the sum of interior angles of a regular decagon is 1440 degrees. Up to, you can take it to any length. Let's look at this one, icosagon. Very important. Icosagon has 20 number of sides. 20 sides. A regular polygon with 20 sides is called icosagon. And the total number of angles, total number of interior angles is 3240 degrees. That is 3240 degrees. These are the regular polygons and the sum of interior angles with their number of sides. Now let's look at an example 1. Now, before we look at that example question on polygon, we are going to state some formulas that are very important in this topic. And the first one we are going to look at here is the formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. How do we arrive at 180 degree as the sum of angles of a triangle, and 360 degree as the sum of angles in a quadrilateral, like that, and so on. So look at sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2, open a bracket and close it, and multiply by 180 degrees. This is the formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. Then we should also note that the number of angles is equal to number of sides. For example, the number of angles of a triangle are 3. That is why a triangle has 3 sides. Number of angles of a quadrilateral are 4, and so a quadrilateral has 4 sides. That's what we are talking about here. The number of angles is equal to number of sides of a regular polygon. Then we also have another formula that is going to guide us, that sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Then we also have another formula that is going to help us in this topic, and the formula is each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees over n, where n is the number of sides. You can now see that this first formula helps us to find the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. For example, a triangle has 3 sides. Is that not true? So the sum of angle of a triangle now, sum of angles is equal to n, which is 3. For triangle is 3. So 3 minus 2, then multiply by 180 degrees. That will be equal to 1 times 180 degrees. That's why the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. For quadrilateral, you remove n and put 4, then 4 minus 2 will be equal to 2, then 2 times 180 will give you 360. For icosagon has 20, then you say 20 minus 2 times 180 degrees, and for icosagon you have 18 times 180 degrees. That gives you 3240 degrees. This is the formula that will help you to find the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. Let's take Example 1. Example 1. The question is this. 1. The sum of the interior angles. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 30 right angles. Is 30 right angles. The question now is find the number of sides. The number of sides of the polygon. The number of sides of the polygon. Look at the question. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 30 right angles. Question. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Now, of course, you know that when we talk about 30 right angles here, that means a right angle is 90 degrees, right? And so 30 right angles will be 30 times 90. Is that not true? And let's recall the formula again. The formula says that sum of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 30, the question now, 30 times 90, which is 30 right angles, is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And so 30 times this will give us 30 multiplied by 90 will give us 2,700. Yes, so we have 2,700 is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Dividing through by 180 degrees, we are looking for n, which is the number of sides, right? So dividing through by this, you have that n minus 2 is equal to 2,700 over 180. And when you do that division, you are going to get that this and this will cancel out, so n is equal to, this will give us 15. So we have 15 plus 2, as we collect like terms, n minus 2. So minus 2 we have to cross over. So we have that n is equal to 17 sides. So the polygon has 17 sides. Alright, this is one example on polygon. As we continue in our next class, we see more questions and more examples on polygons. Thank you and God bless you.